Here I've got Doogee Mix, and let me show you how to add Google account to the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the settings, then find and select accounts, they are under personal, and here click on add account. Now select Google, obviously, because you would like to add Google account. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi, because otherwise you will not be able to log in with your Google account, with your Gmail address, obviously. And now you can log in either with your email address or phone number, and I will do it with my email address. It's HardReset.Info1@gmail.com, and then click on next. Now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. Here it is, and once you enter the password, simply click on next. Here you can come along with all Google terms of service and also privacy policy, and if you agree with all of the conditions, simply click on I agree and wait a couple of seconds. Now, as you can see, you can activate or deactivate backup to Google Drive function, but I will leave it because it's truly useful one, and then click on accept, and that's it. As you can see now, in your accounts you will be able to find Google with your email address and all the data. So that would be all. This is how you can add Google account to your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.